Happy Holi guys! Well, this is my most favorite, absolutely favorite festival. मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता है रंगने में, रंग जाने में और कलरफुल रेसिपीज बनाने में. तो ऐसी ही कलरफुल रेसिपी आज मैं बनाने वाली हूँ द ट्रेडिशनल चंद्रकला, जो बहुत पॉपुलर है होली के टाइम. बट ऑफ कोर्स मेरे खुद के ट्विस्ट के साथ वी आर गोना डू सम फन स्टफ विद इट. इसे बहुत आसान भी बना दिया है मैंने. तो विदाउट मच अडू लेट्स बिगिन. सबसे पहले मैं एक पैन में थोड़ा पानी डालूंगी और फिर गुड़ के साथ यहाँ चाशनी बनाने के लिए रख दूंगी. तो यहाँ मेरे पास है गुड़. I'm going to add it to the water. Elaichi powder, just a small pinch, and a few threads of saffron. While the gur gets dissolved and my healthy chashni gets ready, we are going to start making the dough. अब ये जो चंद्रकला की डो है वो यूजुअली बनती है मैदे के साथ, राइट? मैदे और घी के साथ. बट I am completely changing that and I'm going to be making it with some sweet potato and some nachni का आटा. Okay, so you'll watch how that happens. Sweet potato को पहले से boil करके रखा है मैंने और उसे मैं mash कर दूंगी अच्छी तरह से. nachni आटा is here. एक एक स्पून करके हम थोड़ा थोड़ा इसमें डाल के डो बनाना शुरू करेंगे. उसके बाद इसमें थोड़ा सॉल्ट भी जाएगा. सो जस्ट अ लिटिल पिंच. इसे हम कंप्लीट कर देंगे. थोड़ा सा डो थिक होना चाहिए. जस्ट इट शुड फील लाइक अ प्रॉपर डो. इट शुडंट बी टू सॉफ्ट और टू हार्ड. लवली. नाउ ये डो परफेक्ट है. इट्स नॉट टू स्टिकी एंड इट्स नॉट टू थिक एज वेल. ओके, सो अब इस डो को हम साइड में रख देते हैं थोड़ा रेस्ट होने के लिए. आई नीड दिस टू रोल इट आउट. लेकिन पहले मैं जो इसका फिलिंग होता है, चंद्रकला की जो फिलिंग होती है, उसे प्रिपेयर करूंगी. बट आफ्टर आई क्लीन माई हैंड्स. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स मेक द फिलिंग. I have some mawa and some elaichi. So एक bowl में we're going to take some khoya and put a little bit of chopped nuts, mixed nuts, some pistas, some almonds, a little bit of elaichi powder and some saffron threads again. Okay. And ये जो mawa है, this is the magic ingredient in these chandrakalas. Okay, इसकी stuffing बनती है and when you bite into it, it just gives that burst of gooey flavor inside the mouth, which is absolutely delightful. Okay, so now let's start making the chandrakala. For that, we're going to use some nachni flour on the counter and use a rolling pin to gently roll this out just like a roti. Okay. Now since this has no gluten, you're going to have to be extremely careful with it. Ab I have some cute cookie cutters and see what I'll do with it. पहले इस round cookie cutter के साथ I'm going to make some round holes in these dough. Remove the extra dough, this back here. And then I'm going to take one of this and pull a little, make a roundel out of it and place it in the center like this. Now we take a little bit of water and just wet the sides a little and then we place the other roundel on top of it. Now usually a chandrakala has a lot more color to it. You have to fold the edges like this, but I know you mummies don't have so much time and neither do I. So I have an easy trick to help you do this rather quickly. Okay, so another cookie cutter like this, and after you seal the edges, just use a nice cookie cutter of any shape of your choice and there you go. This is our modern Chandrakala, or should we call it Chandrakala 2020. Okay, so these are ready. In the meantime, my chashni is also ready. I'm going to take it out in a bowl. What I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer this chashni into a bowl, get the oil ready to fry them. In fact, I'm going to keep this here. Here it is, and pan with some oil. So now we're going to start frying these little beauties, and like I mentioned, the oil should not be too hot, so very gently we're going to fry these in this oil. These need to be fried very gently, so don't stir them. Instead, stir the oil and just gently pour it on top of these small little flowers so that the filling doesn't come out of the dough. Now very, very gently we flip these in the oil. Almost done. Alright, so it'll take approximately 3 to 4 minutes for this to happen. Okay, so now this is done. You turn the gas off, and what you need to do is this chashni that you had prepared. You're going to take these little gorgeous pieces out, drain the oil as much as you can, and then just immediately put it inside the chashni and let it be for about 5 to 6 minutes. Gently pour the chashni over the entire bites so that they completely get coated by the nice and healthy syrup that we've created with jaggery. Now for the most amazing part, the final presentation. Holi hai! Nice and colorful plate. I've created this with white chocolate and added some beetroot in one, a little bit of mint in the other one, carrot and saffron in the third one. And then I've just splashed it and I put it in the fridge for it to set, and it's ready. So with the help of a fork, we are going to take out these gorgeous little bites, so healthy and yet so yummy. I'm going to place them. I'm going to complete this presentation, and I hope that you like this recipe. If you do like it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, being Amrita Chef and Beyond, and do celebrate Holi with lots of colors, but be safe, right? A little bit of final presentation, and happy Holi! See you soon!